Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you will be fine. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. Today we bring a new amazing project. Its name is Monkey. In this video, I am going to share each and everything about this project. Monkey Coin is a cryptocurrency created to unite the community, bring fun, and of course, deliver banana profits. To those who join our troop, inspired by the unmistakable energy of Monkey, this coin is more than just a meme, it's a movement. Next guy, you can see the picture of this project, Monkey Meme Coin, and next we go to Monkey Board. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this page is open. You can talk to Monkey now, and next we back to the home page and see this more detail about this project. Welcome to monkeymeme.io. Here, cutting edge AI technologies meets the most fun and irreverent side of the crypto universe. Inspired by the legendary figure of Blue Monkey, our platform invites you to explore memes, tokens, and interactive experience that push the boundaries between humor and financial innovations. And next, you can check here contract address of this project. You can buy now, so we'll discuss later how to buy. And as you can see the description link of this project Monkey. You can check here video, you can see this game. And as you can scroll down and see this Why Monkey Meme. Why Monkey Meme AI plus meme coins. Create and discover exclusive memes powered by intelligent algorithms, capturing the hottest market trend, engage community. Connect with fellow crypto and meme enthusiasts, sharing ideas, tips, and plenty of good laughs. Focus on innovation. We develop tools and products so you can have fun, invest, and join a bold crypto project that stand out. Get ready to be part of revolution where imagination meets technology, generating infinite possibilities. Dive into Monkey Meme and discover a brand new way to experience the crypto world. And next you can check here, you can see this over discuss how to buy Monkey, create a Solana wallet, download Phantom wallet from the Chrome web store, create your account and securely backup private keys. This will be your gateway to storing Monkey coins. Add Sol to your wallet. Buy Sol directly in Phantom by clicking deposit or transfer Sol from another wallet. You will need Sol to purchase Monkey money. Find the Monkey coin token address. Get the official Monkey Coin token address from our official sources and verify it carefully to avoid scam. Swap Sol for Monkey Coin. Connect your Phantom wallet to Solana DEX like Radium or Serum, then swap your Sol for Monkey Coin now. And next you can check your balance here. After the transaction is confirmed, you can check your money coins balance in the asset section of your Phantom wallet. So guys, you can see this how to buy now. And next you can check here the gallery of this project Monkey Meme Coin. Explore memes and tokens that unite humor and financial innovation. You can check here Monkey picture, you can see this. And next you can check here more detail. I love this experience. The memes and tokens are incredible, bringing both innovation and fun at the same time. Joel Silva, you can check here. And next we go to this project roadmap details. So guys, you can click here and you can check here the roadmap page of this project. Roadmap Monkey Phase 1, initial growth and NFT minting, launch of Monkey tokens, NFT artwork and concept finalization, smart contract development, community building, strategy partnerships, whitelist and pre-sale. You can check here Phase 2, collection launch and airdrops, offshore Monkey NFT collection launch, Monkey airdrop for holders, exclusive giveaway, expanded Monkey listing, token utility partnership. You can read it carefully all tales. Phase 3, expansion and integration, NFT and token stacking, ongoing airdrops and giveaways, Monkey in gaming and metaverse, token burn mechanism, listing on centralized exchange. And next you can check here Phase 4, consolidation and future growth, collection expansion or new NFTs, DAO creation for holders, year-end giveaways, 2026 strategy. You can check here all is the roadmap of this project. And next we go to about of this project, Monkey Meme Coin. So guys, you can click here and see this, the Blue Little Meme Coin project, Monkey of the Amazon, the legend of Retanaba. You can check here in the heart of Amazon, where street greenery, where nature pulse with mastery and innocent tales. A singular legend resonates among the native people, that of the Blue Little Monkey of Retanaba. It is said that in remote time this is extraordinary being inhabited the enigmatic lost city of Retanaba, a place as old as time itself, shrouded in secrets that defy human comprehension. You can check here, and next you can check here all detail. You can read it carefully about this project. And next guys, we go to this project official Twitter page. Official Twitter page, Monkey Meme Queen. You can follow here. Next guy, you can check here all posts. You can like and comment this post and invite your friend to join this project. You can check here media. You can click here and see this media of this project, Monkey Meme Queen. You can play this video and watch this video completely. And next we back to the home page. And next guys, we go to this project Telegram group chat. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can check here Monkey 1021 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group and give information about this project here. And next we back to the home page. And next guys, you can join this project in Facebook, Instagram. You can contact us. You can check here contact@monkeymeme.io. You can enter your email, then you can send now, then you can subscribe this project newsletter. So guys, you can check here, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.